So here we're given a set of 24 positive integers, and we're told that half or 12 of the integers are less than 50. So I'm going to split this into two sets. So 12 of these are less than 50 and the rest are greater than 50. The questions are asking to compare quantity A, which is the median, with quantity B, which is 50. So I'm going to explore the range and see if I can show that it's D. At least I'll start there. So let's look at one extreme here. They're all positive integers. They don't say they have to be distinct. So when I have 24 numbers, to find the median, if I take out the middle two numbers, then I'm left with 22 because there's a total of 24. And I split them into 11 and 11. So I'm really looking for the 12th number here and the 13th number, which means I need to know what is the value of the highest value in this set of numbers that's less than 50, and the value of the least number in this set that's greater than 50. So here it could be, for example, 2. Well, it doesn't say they have to be distinct, so they could all be 2. And here I could say that that number is 52, the least number. So the median in this case would be the average of those two numbers, 2 plus 52 over 2, which is 54 over 2, which is 27. So in this case, column B is, or quantity B is bigger. Now I have to see a case where I could make the median bigger than 50. So here, instead of 2, I can select 48. And for the least value in the set where the numbers are greater than 50, I could say the least value is 100. Now the median would be the average of 48 and 100, which is 148 over 2, 74. So now I have a case where the median is bigger. So I don't have enough information, and the correct answer is D.